Alright, welcome back. We are going to take a look at number 2. We're going to first find the product, and then we're going to estimate to check for reasonableness. Okay, we have 2,768 times 7. Alright, we're going to start with the ones. 8 times 7 is 56. Carry my 5. And now we have 6 and 7 went to heaven to build a house for 2, 42. 42 plus 5, 47. Put my 4 up above the 7. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 4 is 53. 2 times 7 is going to be 14, plus 5, which is 19. Now I've just used paper pencil method, and I need to count 1, 2, 3, comma, and we know my product. Now let's just check for reasonableness. I'm going to take 2,768 and round it to the nearest thousand. So I actually did that backwards. I'm going to circle that, change it. Okay, 7 is 5 or more. In the hundreds place, I'm going to add one more to the thousands. So it becomes 3, and the rest of those 1, 2, 3 numbers become zeros. And then I'm going to keep my multiplier here and just multiply times 7. And we know 3 times 7, 21, with 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we have 21,000, we have 19,000. It's definitely in the right range we're looking for. So we have checked it, our product is reasonable. And there you have it. Alright, now we're going to look down here at number 14. And on number 14, it could be a little confusing if you're not thinking about some methods we've worked on. So it asks if you know that 8 times 300 is 2,400, how can you find 8 times 320? Well, they've already done, if you think to yourself about the method of partial products we've worked on, breaking it apart, they have 300 already done for us, times 8. And they have it written down there at the bottom as well. So they already have this written out. But we know in the number 320, we've already done the hundreds place. We just did that up here. What do we have left? Well, we have the tens place left. And there's no value at all in the ones place. So I'm just going to take the tens place down here. And I know that's worth 20. And I'm going to multiply it by the same number here, 8. And if I take 2 times 8, it's going to be 16 with a 0. And then there's nothing in over here in the ones place. It's 0. So I don't need to worry about multiplying anything there. I need to take my 2,400 and my 160 using the partial products method and just go ahead and combine those. 2,400 plus 160. 4 plus 1, 5. Bring that 2 down. There's nothing to add for it. So 2,560 is how I can find. Now I need an explanation. So I'm going to say to myself, how can I explain this? If I know 2,400 equal to 8 times 300, then I only need to multiply the tends to find my product using the partial products method. Put a period at the end and say, voila.